Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing GlycoShizen.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just a drops or an oil that can help you with your health and blood sugar balance. So as you can see, we have it pulled up here on their website. But before I get into that, since I can't review a lot of the things that you guys send me, and I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the details. So as you can see, they claim that it keeps your blood sugar balanced naturally, enhances natural energy, curbs sugar cravings, supports healthy weight management on a plant-based natural formula, simple to use, easy to love, and a lot more, guys. So actually, these are the ingredients that they claim to use. So one bottle costs $79, 6 bottles cost $49 per bottle, and $69 per bottle for 3 bottles. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit, I found an article here on Malware Tips, saying that GlycoShizen blood sugar support is a fraud. So please don't fall for it. So as you can see right here, guys, they go over how the operation works, or the scam works. So step 1 is to catching the video ad, fake health site, deep fake celebrity endorsements, fake doctor, glowing reviews, the order page, and a lot more. So please do not order from this. There are a lot of articles online saying that this is a scam. So if you have health, blood sugar balance issues, or health issues, I advise you to go to the doctor, since unknown medicines like this or unknown supplements can actually help worsen your condition and not actually help it. So please consult a doctor before buying products like these. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.